Hello YouTube, back at it again. A different point of view, a cup of tea point of view. I wanted to clear the snow. I want to take it with me in it. Ooh, what did you see? Well, I'll try to hold it a little bit steady for you guys. This is not a gimbal, it's still shaky. But the point of view is different. There's the fish. Yes. There's no ice, guys. Just snow. Everything is melting. Ja, ja. Can tell you something about her. First generation, one of the first 5,000 ever made with the W126. Unbelievable. A gem. Oh guys, can give it a little cold start. You can see how the point of view is. Oh. Ooh la la. Cold start, boys and girls. Oh, now the camera should be a little bit higher, I think. Oh. Un momento. Wrong piece. Whee. Ta 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 ta. Ik kan daar een band zien. He's running. I think the point of view is a little low. Let it warm up a bit. Point of view driving, boys and girls. Oh. Ja. Ja.
Ik
Dat is.
het verhaal leuk vinden om te vertellen. Ik weet nog wel, toen ging de oude hond van
Ja. Ikaru.
Nanne en Kim,
Ja.
die bleef toen wel eens bij ons logeren.
Ja.
En weet je nog wat voor hond dat is, zei Michael?
Een Beugero. Beugero.
Oh, was toch een...
Dago Argentino.
Nee,
Die andere.
Franse herder.
Ja, Franse herder. Een Beugero. Ja, zo heet die volgens mij. Ik doe even een klein stukje om, dan maak ik de auto warm, dan kom ik weer terug, ja? Even een filmpje kijken hoe het lijkt. Wat? Nee, ze is open. Tot zo, ga met een kaartje maar. Doe maar mee naar binnen. Guys. Oh. Hope we don't get stuck. Whee! The lights on. Ooh. Just a little stroll around the block with this new point of view in the winter. Daarna zijn we wel gestrooid, jongens. Het is oké. Just wake up the beast a little bit. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I don't think the point of view is the best because you gotta get up a little bit higher. More like this, something like that. Now you don't see anything yet, huh? It's cold, guys. A lot of snow in front of us. Now we're going back. Strolling. I think the walk around the car in this position is okay. guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Gonna drink some coffee. Hope you guys are gonna do that too. Enjoy the show and watch the rest of my movies. Please like and subscribe. I made about almost 400. So for all the newcomers, you got something to watch. If you're even gonna put this one online, you never know. Whee!